A cordless blender for life on the go. 70W motor base and 2000 mAh offers up to 20 blending cycles before needing to be recharged. 13 ounces blending cup with to-go lid is the ideal size for personal smoothies or protein shakes. Included, motor base, 13 ounces cup, to-go lid, blade cover, USB charging cord, user guide with recipes. Note, refer to user manual before use. Product built to North American Canadian electrical standards. The Nutribullet GO Cordless Blender is designed for life on the go. Compact design, quick charging time, to-go cup and lid make this ideal for the office, gym, or any place else you need to be. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I have several personal blenders but this one is awesome. Yes, it's small but is the correct size for blend a personal size ptotein shake, OT, breakfast essentials or yogurt with almond milk, fruits and veggies. I bought this because the cable plug-in ones are too loud and sometimes with kids in online class using them is too noisy, but no more with this one. Like I said, yes, the cup is small but so you can't overfilled, it's have line mark in the cup, so this is the point, put everything inside then liquid up to the line. I prefer to use frozen fruits and IR came out perfect. It HBR a timer for the perfect smoothie. My kids always want breakfast essentials shke in the morning but mixing by hand have don't dissolves good, so the learn have to use this every day and is safe for them. They don't use electricity and the best of all, and I was scared about the blade, but if it doesn't HVE the cup on correctly it doesn't turn on, so the blinking light is the clue, and when they take the cup out if they accidentally touch the power button it won't turn on, and I was scared about that, but I feel free when I check this and I know kids are safe using this and the best they love this blender. For the people complaining about the size, it's a correct size because you're not supposed to overfill your tummy. Sometimes I make a smoothie in my other bigger cups blenders and I ended up storing some on the fridge. Freshly made taste better, and this Nutribullet is a charm in my house and family trips. Oh, I use brush to clean it and I try not to wet the bottom of the base where's the charging port. I refill with water the cup up to the line and turn it on, this way you clean the blade and rinse and leave both upside down to get dry for prevent mold in the gasket ring area by the blade. Reduce the amount of green leaves or veggies for better results, and remember the power of this blender if more for light smoothies. Don't try to make it work like a professional high potency blender because you're going to damage your product.